Lesson 5. Introduction Multiplication in Algebra. Multiplication algebra has a different concept to addition and subtraction of algebra. Rule: in multiplication, you time the numbers together, and collect all the objects. Let's have a look. For normal multiplication, 2 times 3 times 4, equal 24. Let's look at this in the algebra. 2 times 3a times 4b. Please note that 3a means 3 times a and 4b means 4 times b, so we have 2 times 3 times a times 4 times b. Then we have got all numbers timed together, 2 times 3 times 4 equal 24, and collect all of the objects that are a and b. The answer is 24, a, b. Example 1. 5a times 3. If object, a is apple. We have got 5 times 3 equal 15, and we have collected the object that is apple. Or you can say 5a times 3 equal 15a. Example 2. 5a times 3b. If object, a is apple, and b is banana. We have got 5 times 3 equal 15, and we have collected all objects that are apple and banana. Or you can say 5a times 3b equal 15a, b. Example 3. 5a, b times 3c. If object, a is apple, and b is banana, and c is cherry. We have got 5 times 3 equal 15, and we have collected all objects that are apple, banana and cherry. Or you can say 5a, b, times 3c, equal 15a, bc. Introduction to Algebra, Multiplication with Power. For multiplication algebra, the rule is, the numbers must be multiplied together and collect all the objects. If the objects are the same, we will add their powers. Example 1. 5a, b times 3a. Remember the invisible power, the object, a, is the same as, a power 1. We could write it as, 5a power of 1, times 3a power of 1. Let a, be apple. We have got 5 times 3 equal 15, and object apple, a, power of 1 and a, power of 1, is the same, 1, we can add their powers, 1 plus 1 equal 2. The answer is 15 apple power of 2. We could say 5, a power of 1, times 3a power of 1, is 15a power of 1 plus 1, equal to 15a power of 2. Example 2. 5, a power of 2, times 3a, b. Remember the invisible power, the objects, a and b, is the same as, a power of 1, and b power of 1. We could write it as, 5a power of 2, times 3a power of 1, b power of 1. Let a, be apple, and b be banana. We have got 5 times 3, equal 15, and object apple, a power of 2 and, a power of 1, is the same, we will add their powers, 2 plus 1 equal 3. But not object banana, b power of 1, so the answer is 15, apple powers of 3, and banana power of 1. We could say, 5a power of 2, multiply 3, a power of 1, b power of 1, is 15a power of 2 plus 1, b power of 1, equal to 15, a power of 3, b power of 1. Or 15, a power of 3, b. Example 3. 5, x power of 3, y power of 2, times 3x power of 2, y power of 4. Let x, be pizza, and y be pie. We have got 5 times 3 equals 15, and since object pizza, x power of 3 and x power of 2, are the same thing, we'll add 3 and 2 of their powers. Object pi, y power of 2 and y power of 4 are the same thing, that we can plus 2 and 4 to their powers. So the answer is 15 pizzas powers of 5, and pi powers of 6. We could say 5x power of 3, y power of 2, multiply 3, x power of 2, y power of 4, is 15x power of 3 plus 2, y power of 2 plus 4, equal to 15, x power of 5, y power of 6.